Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the right side lid hinge on your top load washer. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, it's easier if you have access to the side of your washer, so that may involve pulling it slightly forward. Once you've done that, we can start the repair. Now, to remove the existing hinge, we'll need to open the lid to its full upright position. And we'll need a number 15 Torx head screwdriver. Remove the old screws. And we'll set those aside to reuse them on the new hinge. Now next, we're just going to lift up on that side of the lid until it clears the existing hinge. You can then slide the old one out of the socket and set it aside. Now, when installing the new hinge, just make sure we have it in the vertical position. Slide it into that socket, and you should meet some spring resistance as you try to push it forward. Then we're simply going to line up the lid, slide that hinge up inside of the lid, and we're ready to put the two screws in. Now, we do suggest that when you reinstall those lid hinge screws that we put a drop of thread locker on there just to make sure that they don't come loose. And be sure to install both screws before you tighten them. And once both screws are tightened up securely, we can close the lid, and your repair is complete.